Ingredient: less curry paste, pork meat or any meat, kaffir lime leaf, water spinach, garlic, fish sauce, sugar, oil, and water. The first step is to heat the pan. After that, add oil. Wait for the oil to boil. Add red curry paste and stir fry. Add a chopped garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Add pork meat and stir fry until cooked and add a little water.
After that, add water spinach and stir fry with pork meat. After stir fry the vegetable to an second, put the kaffir leaf seasoning with fish sauce and some sugar. Then decorate on a pan. When it's finished and enjoy your meal.